Alright guys, we're at the Asian sculpture garden, or the Asian garden here. We're gonna go ahead and start cooking in this sundial sort of thing, and I got some backpackers food that I thought would be interesting to check out. So this is Alpen Air Kung Pao beef. So let's go ahead and get this in the GoSun and we'll give it a little sample. We're running out of sun here, but we'll make it work. Okay, so we will not cook all of this. This is for 2 people, and honestly, I just want to get a little sampler, so. It's already pretty hot, actually. That should be good. I know it doesn't look like much, but we'll see. I moved my unit over to try and be a little more respectful of people and the causeway. So this is the dish. It's hot, but I gotta say the beef is not quite a whole lot of beef, but hey, whatever, we'll take what we can get, so let's give it a test. Yeah, really good. It's a little bland. It's got a nice little bit of spice though. There's some like peanuts or hazelnuts in there. Not gonna lie, it's pretty bland.